And there you go, the full effect of the rain, the spray, and all of that poison coming down on us. And when this rain droplets dry off of the window, or anybody's cars, you look at all the shit that'll be left on your car. Whether you... Is that a fly? Oh, you little fly. Whether you live by the sea, or near some trees, or out in the middle of nowhere where there should be nothing, you will still find it on your cars. All you've got to do is, on a busy day, when I'm down the Westwood Hoe, and look in the car park, and all those cars have come from all over the county, and some of them all over the country, and they're all covered in it, no matter where they're from. It's because it's coming out of the sky, because it's been sprayed everywhere, that's why.